Earlier, this just happened. I don't know what happened. This just happened. I'm just having my noises. I don't know what is this. I'm so panicky right now. It just happened. It was running and this happened. I'm so panicky right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know. The air conditioner exploded or something. I don't know what to do. I don't know if that's freon or something, but I'm so scared right now. Holy shit. I'm getting out of here now. Shit, this is not fake. That thing just exploded or something. I don't know what happened. I'm so scared. I don't know if that thing is toxic or not, but I'm just so panicky right now. Just closing this door. Smells like shit. I don't know if that might be toxic or not. Shit, I don't know if a